So we're up here with the winners from the from the GISHWHES 2015, the Widemacher team. They won, and so as a token of our gratitude, we are giving them this really great opportunity to. Hey, can I ask you a favor? If you perish, it'll make great video.
It would. Do you promise to film it?
Yeah, I am
Okay.
filming.
Oh, hi. Yeah. If I die, you got it.
We get so many hits on this.
Can you wait behind the yellow line, my
Okay,
friend?
yes.
Yeah.
I have to wait behind the yellow line. Okay.
Love you guys.
It's been real.
Love you.
X. Are you going?
Yeah. I'm gonna go. I just needed to capture this. How often do people die when they do this? Not that often.
No, not often.